Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday, Hump Day, July 11th. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. Almost made it through the week. And we have a special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. It is courtesy of TOPGREENER, paid for video, courtesy of FameBit, powered by YouTube. Check them out. Link is going to be below for TOPGREENER, the website on Amazon. You can take advantage of the Prime shipping. Here we go. Small little package today, but we shall see what's inside. Here we go. Oh, cut it down. Oh. There we go. Cut. And go. And rip. And a little bit more cut. Alright. Right on. Here we go. Boom. And we have one of these. Wireless motion triggered utility LED. These are really nice to have. Thank you guys for sending me this to show YouTubers what you guys have to offer. There's also their website if you want to click on over there. But in case you have a Prime membership, take advantage of the fast shipping. That link is going to be down below. And if there's any discounts, of course, it'll be in the description for you guys. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll find out a little bit later. So really cool motion light. I think I'm going to find some spots. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this, but we'll see what it can do. And what we need. Open it. Oh, come on. There we go. Look at this thing. Really nice. Lightweight. Got the 3M sticky stuff. Where's on, off? Lock. Unlock. Aha. That's mounting. Line arrows. Snap together. Probably be better when it lights out. See, lock in. I'm gonna try to shut the light off. See if this works. Hold on one sec. It's motion light, so it's dark. Jeez, not in there. Shoot. Hold on one second. Put you on pause. Alrighty, YouTubers. Sorry about that. Had to figure out something. Here's the inside. This part comes out. Take a little Phillips or flathead, and then 2 AA batteries. So you might want to stack up. Or actually, 3 AA's. All right. Stack up with some AA's. Grab one more. Shoot. Really excited though. Definitely needed this for my. I'm gonna put it in my closet. Or somewhere else in my garage, maybe. Extra security light, you know. Scare off the intruders. But here we go. Put it in your boat, RV. See if I can put this in right. Oh shoot. There we go. Snap in. Uh-oh. Snap. See the lens right there is supposed to snap. There we go. Maybe not. Oh, that works. Okay. It works. Hey, come on. Slow down a little bit. Come on. Oh boy, oh boy. Hold on one sec, I'm gonna pause. Alrighty, YouTubers. We got it all locked in. All in. There we go. Boom, nice little bright LED. Bam. It's like the Iron Man thing. Look at that. Top Greener. Check them out. I'm gonna put this in my closet and show you guys the motion part. But like I said, this would be good maybe outside. I don't think that's wise of it. Not sure if it's it's only for toolbox, tool shed, utility room, kitchen and bathroom cabinets, clothes pantry, or a closet pantry. I got one of those. Alright, I'll be over in one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are in my little walkway area. And boom! It's bright. Shuts off. Really bright light. See it right through the crack. But it's going to shut off in a second. Walk by. Let's see. There's a reflection out the room. There's my 8 sleep bed. There we go. There, and that's off. And you walk by, boom! Bright lights. So really cool. Check them out, YouTubers. TOPGREENER.com on Amazon Prime. Get this in low cost and fast shipping. Like I said, paid for video, courtesy of Top Greener, founded on FameBit, powered by YouTube. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.